This is the timber. My original one, the first one I have two. This is the one I just finished doing repairs on a few weeks. Actually, I finished doing my repairs. I finished doing repairs on it a few weeks ago. Then I gave it a makeover on the nose. As you can see, the paint job. I gave a little bit of red on the nose cowling. So this is more or less a functional flight, a functional check flight after repairs. And I wasn't able to do this over the last couple of weeks because of the weather. I mean, it's been really rainy and windy. I haven't been able to fly anything. So I had to wait till now. This is the best day we've had in 2 weeks to fly. But on the other hand, it snowed yesterday for the first time this year. So I had to do the functional check flight. I had to convert the wheels over to skis, as you can see. So we're going to do this with skis. So I'm going to have to do some trimming, I know it. That's just the way it goes. But anyway, let's see how it goes. She's up. I don't have to do any major trimming, which is good. There's no real wind to speak of, so I don't need to put my gyro on. She's really smooth. If the wind is coming from anywhere, I'm trying to see which side of my face is colder. And I think it's coming, I think it's right to left. We're going to try my gyro just because. Now my gyro on this airplane is an Eagle Tree Guardian. It is not your standard gyro. So its functions are a little bit different. Pick up speed, go up. Hammerhead. I haven't heard the alarm, so that's a good thing.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Up and over. Didn't quite go up and over the sun. I'm going to drop the flaps.
Take off flaps.
That was me just playing with the wings a little bit. That wasn't an airplane really.
Manual mode.
Have to go over the sun.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm trying my best to focus on flying and keep my head in the right position for this thing. I'm going to trim this thing nose down a little bit if I can. There we go. She did want to go a little bit nose up when I had the flaps. I do have the mixing in, but even still. Alright, we're going to do a landing. Snow landing, guys. Just the way we like it.
Time
On
remaining
skis.
2 minutes. Remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps. Timer start. Timer start.
What do you think of those skis, huh? Let me bring that over here so you can see them.
Take off flaps. Flaps up. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start.
Easy. Go down here and turn around. And do a takeoff right in front of us.
Timer start.
Get her set up right there.
Take off flaps. Timer start. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3,
I hear it now.
1. Time expired.
So I guess we want to get one more landing.
Landing flaps.
Try to get it to land right in front of us. Yeah, nice. I love that. Alrighty, let's see if we can
Take off flaps.
get one more time around.
Start.
Till I hear that alarm go again, I guess we're doing alright.
Landing flaps. 1 minute over. Timer start. Take off flaps. Timer start. Timer start. 2 minutes over. Timer start.
Should we do a short field takeoff, stall takeoff with the skis? I don't see why not.
Timer start. Timer start.
Let me go turn around.
Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start.
From right there, how's that? Full flaps. Let's see what she does.
Timer start.
Beautiful. Go around and land.
Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. 3 minutes over.
Wow, she's doing really well.
Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. Timer start. Timer
Right there. Right there.
Timer start. Timer start.
There goes the alarm again. Short takeoff and short landing here. Good deal. Up flaps.
Flaps up. Timer start.
Just gonna take it back.
Timer start.
Skis work great. Functional Check Flt worked great. I'm happy with it. I just got to get some new batteries for this thing, and we're gonna be good. We'll be able to do some winter flying. This isn't a, because it's not December yet. It's still kind of a late fall, in spite of the fact that we get a white ground here with snow. So it's only about 40 degrees right now, which is why it's good flying weather. Once we get into December, it's not going to be quite so frequent, the flying conditions. Batteries. Alright guys, back on the table. I left the batteries connected so we can see some lights while we're talking about this. These are the skis I was talking about. Everything's the same on the landing gear. Only thing is, I took the wheel off the axle and I slid a Dubro ski on, and I rigged up my own kind of a spring. I had to find a size spring that was not over tensioned and not under tensioned. I put a little block. This little block here is actually a house wire clamp. It's one of those white wire clamps, and I got an extended Allen head screw coming out of the lock washer going into the hook of the spring. This wire holder, all this is a stop. Really didn't need it. I could have just tilted this thing down and had a longer screw, and it would have used a ski as a stop. You can do that too. I just happen to have those, so I gave it a try. But that's the setup. So as you can see, I'm gonna lift it up. The skis just slightly tilt up a little bit so that they land with the tips up. So that's it guys. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.